Hi guys, today I'm going to show the best control settings for a new season in Apex Legends. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Here you need to enter into the top right corner. It's a gear icon, just click it and following settings. Here you need to enter into the controller option at the top. Yeah, the first one is a button layout. This is the default button layout. If you need, you can change it. I'm go along with the default one. I'm just showing this is the place to change the default button layout, and the stick layout it should be in default, and reload button tap to use the reload, and the coach button if you want to use the certain movement in the game like Binny Happing, you have to change this to hold. Here I'm not a movement player, so I'm holding it to toggle. If I told like if you are a movement player, you make it as hold. And the aim button it should be on hold, and the survival should be on, and the adaptive trigger should be on off, and the menu cursor should be like increase a bit for faster shield swap. Then scroll down and you may see the movement or aiming on that. Look sensitivity make it as high, and look sensitivity areas make it as default, and the response curve make it as linear. And some pro players like to put this on none. Keep it in mind, this is going to have you a lot make stick drift. So as I told like same as for look dead zone, and vibration should be on off. Personally it makes me disturbing, so I make it as an off. If you want you can. And the advanced settings, I don't recommend it, but if you are if you need that you can turn on. And scroll down, you may see the target compensation, make it as on. It helps aim assistance like using melee. Yeah, but I don't recommend it, and I'm not using it. Yeah, this is the best control settings for the new season. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.